Solve 30x cube plus 19x square minus 1 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should find the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x square term. What I mean is, see, 30x cube in place of plus 19x square, now I write plus 10x square plus 9x square minus 1 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 10x square. So here you get 3x plus, from this 10x square out you get 1. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is plus 1. So this as it is minus 1 equal to 0. Now this bracket, I will simplify this here, that is 9x square minus 1. So in place of 9, now I write 3 square, x square minus 1. Now square is on both, so this will become 3x whole square minus on 1 I put the square. Okay so far. Now on this, now we can apply the formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b times a plus b. In place of a you have 3x, in place of b it is 1. So you will get 3x minus 1, 3x plus 1. So in place of this, now we should write this over here. So this equation will become 10x square 3x plus 1 plus, in place of this entire thing, 3x minus 1 3x plus 1 equal to 0. Now from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is 3x plus 1. So 3x plus 1 outside. Here we are left with this 10x square, and over here we are left with 1 times 3x minus 1 is the same thing, 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we got quadratic here. I will factorize the quadratic here, that is 10x square plus 3x minus 1. To factorize this, we should split the middle term plus 3x. So in place of plus 3x, now I write plus 5x minus 2x minus 1. I am not doing factorization steps. Directly I have split plus 3x to plus 5x minus 2x. Next, what can be taken out common from these two terms is 5x. So here you get 2x plus, from this 5x out you get 1. Now whatever you got here, here also you should get the same thing. From this 2x gone inside, so outside you get minus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 2x plus 1 common. So here you have 5x and here minus 1. So now in place of this quadratic, we will write this over here. So this equation will become 3x plus 1. In place of this one, 2x plus 1, 5x minus 1 equal to 0. More, they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. To get the x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is 3x plus 1 equal to 0, 2x plus 1 equal to 0, 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, first I should remove plus 1, for that subtract 1. You get 3x equal to minus 1. So now to get x, we should remove 3. So to remove 3, you divide by 3. We get x equal to minus 1 by 3. And here first I should remove plus 1. So you subtract 1. You get 2x equal to minus 1. Now we should remove 2. So divide by 2. You get x equal to minus 1 by 2. Now here first we should remove minus 1, so you add 1. You get 5x equal to 1. Now we should remove 5, so divide by 5. So we get x equal to 1 by 5. So the x values that we got are minus 1 by 3, minus 1 by 2 and 1 by 5. This is our answer.